Welcome to the Getting Started with IgorBox series. In this video, I want to show you how to link your Discord account for login and also how to link your Discord account back to IgorBox so that you can get extra features like IgorBox users within our Discord server. So we left off on this page here in the account management page, and we're going to scroll down, and I mentioned that you can link other things. So what we're going to do now is we're going to link this Discord account, which will allow us to log in with it. So I'm going to click connect. It's going to bring me to Discord here, and you'll see that I'm signed in as IgorBox Fritz on Discord, and I'm going to allow the IgorBox, I'm going to authorize IgorBox as a login source. And now you'll see that it is connected down here, right? And as I said, if I log out, I can click on sign in with Discord now, and we're back to logged in, right? So now I can use either one of these. I can use Google or I can use my Discord account. But more importantly, if I go to discord.igorbox.com, you will be invited to our private server. You can accept that invite. And yeah, I am a human, even though it doesn't look that way. We can open up Discord. And now you could see that Carlbot has already sent us a welcome message telling us that, welcome, you can head over to the Getting Started page. You can also run / commands like verify me and help from in here. So we're going to go here. This is a brand new account, by the way. And you can see that there is a bunch of information about our community rules, etc. But there's this /verify me. Now, if you look over here, we have some general chat. We have our announcements, product news, general chat, information, build help, showcase, etc. But also, I'm an IgorBox user now, right? So we have to complete a few steps. Let's do that. Yes, I've read and I agree. And now, click up here, Getting Started. Review the Getting Started guide, which we have done. Next, it's a bunch of information about, these are our announcements page. And we should be able to come to the general chat now and say hello. And we've finished the onboarding. But as I said, I'm going to do /verify me, and you'll see that this is a Carlbot action. Now, what Carlbot's going to do is it's going to check to see that my Discord account is linked to my account on igorbox.com, and it's going to link them together. And it now just gave me a new role, IgorBox user role. As you can see, I've been upgraded in role. And I now have access to the IgorBox user chat and user support pages. So this is a really great way of getting of not only communicating with people within the IgorBox user community, but also directly with me and everybody else that works at IgorBox, because we are on Discord all the time. As you can see, that's me right there on the staff. I'm basically always logged in. So if you ever have a question, you can always send me a message directly. Or drop it in the user chat or user support. And that is how you verify your account, link your IgorBox and Discords together, and get some extra features and extra access. So on the next video, we'll talk about creating a new studio, what that is, what is a studio, how do we create it, how many can we have, how do we navigate between them. So see you in the next one.